Business Marketing Technology Pathway freshman multimedia students, welcome back. This is Mr. Cheney with part 2 of a brilliant tutorial on kinetic typography. So part 1, we put all the text together. We did the fonts, we did the size, we did the colors, we lined them up. Now we're going to add the movement part, the kinetic part. So on the Google Classroom assignment, I have put kinetic directions number 2. So you can click on that. You can save the picture. We can go back to our slide and we can insert the picture to help us with directions. So I'm going to do just that. So pictures, desktop, where'd it go? Number 2 right there. Okay, so let's minimize this so I can see it. Good. Alright, so I've got a picture of what my animation pane will look like. Here's the step-by-step instructions. So I'm going to go to animations. I'm going to go to animation pane so that I can see the animation pane over here so you can see what's going on. So this right here is the animation pane. Let's start with step by step. So it's got 2 different animations. So I'm going to do the first one, which is the boomerang. So I'm on animations. I'm going to click right here, which is the more button, which shows me everything, and I need to go to more entrance effects so I can see them all. And you're going to get a little box like this. And boomerang is in the exciting section, so boomerang like that. And then it tells me that it's 0.35 duration, no delay with previous. Okay, so that means I'm going to go here to this arrow to do some action. So start with previous first of all, and then I can go with the timing effects. And so I'm going to go no delay. No delay is 0. Duration, I'm going to click and highlight it, and I'm going to put 0.35. And the last effect I need to do is the 10% delay between letters. So right now the text comes all at once. I want to change that to by the letter, and then this 10% delay between letters. Alright, and that's going to give me my first animation for that text. Good. Now, some of these have 2 animations, some have 1. This one happens to have 2 at the same time. So the second one is spinner. So what I'm going to do, I have to add an animation to the same text. So I'm going to make sure that's highlighted. That means that this is already set. I'm going to do add animation. Again, I want to go to more entrance effects. And spinner is in the moderate, I want to say. Where'd spinner go? Right there, there's spinner. And then duration and delay are the same, 0.25 for duration and delay. So I'm going to start with previous again because it says it right there with previous. And then I'm going to do the timings. This is 0.25. This is 0.25. My effect, once again, is by the letter, and it's 10%. So now I've got 2 animations on the same text box. I can highlight both and play them to see what it looks like. It looks beautiful. Let's move on to the second word, which is guide. So guide only has 1 animation. So I'm going to go over here, do this again, more entrance effects, and stretch is in the moderate section, I believe. So there's stretch. And I'm going to go, gotta press OK. I'm going to make sure that's with previous, and it's 0.5 duration, 0.6 delay. So the delay was 0.6. The duration is 0.5, which is already there, so I don't have to change it. And then I'm going to go to the effect, and it says direction. I want to change from across to from the top. Okay, so now kinetic is done. Let's move on to, what happened here? Step by step, guide. Oh, the word for. So let's do the word for, which is right here. And it says we want to do the fly-in animation. Okay, so fly-in is right here in the basic section. So fly-in. And it says with previous again. So with previous, I'm going to go 0.35 duration, 1 second delay. So timing, 0.35, 1 second delay. it says, yes, with previous direction from top. So I go to Effect, Direction from Top. Okay, so that's 4. And let's move on to the word kinetic. Kinetic is right here. Kinetic has 2, just like Step by Step did. So we're going to do pinwheel and, okay, pinwheel. Going to more. Pinwheel, pinwheel. Where is pinwheel? There it is. It's in the exciting section. Pinwheel. And then it's with previous again. And then we got 0.5 and 1.15. Okay, so let's do that. So we're going to timings, 0.5 duration, and the delay is 1.15 it says. So 1.15, and then that's it. There's no other effect that it says, so that's good. I'm going to press OK, and then I'm going to, since I'm doing a second animation, I got to click here to add an animation. So click the box just in case. Add animation. Go to more, and it's compress. So where is compress? Compress, compress. Compress is right there in moderate. Okay. And we're going to with previous again. And 0.75 duration, 1.5 delay. 0.75, 1.5 delay. Okay. And that's it. So there's nothing on the effect on that either. So I'm going to press OK. And it's going to show us what that looks like. Okay, so we're done with kinetic, and the last one is typography. So I'm going to click typography. And it's a peek in, so I am going to click here, there's peek in the basic. I'm going to press OK. Okay, it says with previous again, because they're all going to go at the same time. 0.5 duration, 1.5 delay. So duration's right here, 0.5, it's already that. 1.5 seconds, so we don't have to change if it's already there. Direction from left, so I'm going to the effect. So instead of from bottom, I'm going from the left, and then 10% delay. Animate text between letters, so I'm going to do that. 10%, good. So now I've got it all together. And if we've done everything right, we can look at our directions and we can see all our text boxes right there, and looks like we've got 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, good. We can click, shift, and highlight all these boxes, play them at the same time to see if we've got what we're supposed to. Boom! That's kinetic typography in its simplest form. Congratulations. Now, if you need to use this video as you're putting yours together, feel free, because that's why I did it. Alright, let's get at it. I'm going to be coming around and checking out your awesome work. After we get this simple part done, then we're going to start adding our own touches to this kinetic typography to make it personalized. Alright, have fun.